What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. Tons of brands, tons of options. When it comes to laptops, each one's needs and budget are totally different. Satisfying everyone is super tough. Some need basic ones for browsing, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, that kind of stuff. Some a little powerful. Some dedicated for gaming. And some mix of everything. Today, I have an interesting laptop that I recently bought from a relatively new brand for my personal basic use and thought we'll share it with you guys. It's an impressive one, which especially young chaps will love. What if I tell you, this looks like Apple's MacBook Air but on a super low budget?
What?
Sit back and enjoy, and as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. Just takes a second. That's all I request from you guys. I hope you'll do it. Alright. Meet Avita Liber. This is an entry-level laptop from a brand called Avita. They are a US-based tech brand who entered India around 2018. They focus on ultra-portable laptops and mainly they are super colorful. Something unique. What I have here is their entry-level 14-inch Intel Core i3 model. Let's unbox and talk more. Cut open, says live it up. Nice. Then you have the laptop well protected. Let's get to it in a bit. Then a user manual, a microfiber cleaning cloth. Then you have a black box which has the charger adapter and a cable. Then a mini HDMI adapter. That's about the box. Here is the Avita Liber. Check this out. First look on the design and build, I'm totally impressed. This laptop is well built, has aluminum casing and the design mimics the MacBook Air. But as you can see, you get them in super nice colors to choose from. What I have here is the yellow color called Sunflower Yellow. You get them in tons of other color options and some impressive pattern-based designs as well. The top cover has just the Avita branding. Trust me, this color sure will be a head turner. Very stylish and unique looking laptop. This weighs around 1.46 kgs. Overall, a thin portable laptop that can even fit in an envelope. Here is a quick look at the technical specifications and the dimensions. Alright, now before I talk in depth about this laptop, have you guys downloaded my newly launched game Shan's Treasure Hunt? This week I have launched version 5 with some cool updates. Introducing two new amazing levels, Theme Park and Planet Pandora. To top it all, I have also launched two new characters, Avatar Navi and Shanos. Trust me, this game is super fun and addictive. Best of all, comes with no ads and you can play the game offline. Go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. Search for Tekshan and install. I'm sure you will love it. Existing users, update your app. Okay, now let's go 360. Front top, we have the 720p HD webcam with mic for video chats, followed by the 14-inch display. It's a full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. Color reproduction and brightness is very good. Vibrant, crisp. Viewing angles are also good. However, it's a bit reflective. Overall, a good display, perfect for everyday use and video watching. Moving on, the chiclet style keyboard. It's a backlit keyboard, so that's nice. Feedback and typing with it is also good, super comfortable. I like how the letter A is changed to be the Avita logo. Cool touch. Media buttons are housed on the top row. LED indicators for the power on and caps lock key. Left, you also have a fingerprint sensor to unlock your laptop. It's super fast. Then the large multi-touch trackpad. Well, this sure stands out, given that in most laptops, it's square. This is kinda rectangle, giving you a larger area to work with. Nice. Moving on, to the right you have an LED indicator, charging port, a USB 3 port, a Type-C port and a mini HDMI port. To the left you have another USB 3 port, a 3.5mm audio port and a micro SD card reader. Apart from these, you also have support for Bluetooth 4.2 and Wi-Fi. Flip to the bottom, you have rubber base for grip and angle. Two speaker grills, it has two 1-watt speakers and more vents for air circulation. You also get one more main air vent near the hinge area. Alright, now let's talk a bit about the performance and software. Avita Libre at its core has the Intel Core i3 8th Gen chip clocked at 2.2 GHz, bundled with massive 8GB DDR4 RAM and Intel UHD 620 graphics. Comes installed with genuine Windows 10 OS. Do note that the RAM is fixed and you cannot upgrade, but given that it has 8GB, that is not a problem. On the storage, this model has 128GB SSD, out of which on first boot you get around 99GB free to use. You also get a 256GB model. However, if you need to expand the storage, you gotta get a M.2 SSD, but you gotta replace what's inside now, and that would be expensive. However, since it has a full USB and microSD card slot, you can use those to expand storage as well. An external hard drive would be a good option. On the performance, I've been using it for a week now, and in my test, I used it for everyday casual work like browsing, email, social media, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, video watching, etc. And it was a breeze. Multitasking is good. The SSD and the RAM does help a lot. The cool thing is you get 1 year MS Office free with this laptop if you use a new account. On the gaming, to kill some time, you can check out some basic games from the Windows Store, but no high-end gaming please. This machine is not meant to run high-power applications. Still curious folks, I did try Photoshop and Filmora for social media post editing and it was able to handle it well. But given the space constraints, don't think about loading it with too many applications. As said, it's an entry-level laptop that you can use for everyday tasks, yet something that is light and super stylish that you can flaunt, which is also thin and compact.
Oh no.
Here we go.
Well, if I have to say, the surface of the laptop is in the size of a regular student exam pad.
What?
Yep, crazy but true. Another exclusive TechShan comparison. Coming to the battery, though it commits 10 hours, well, in my initial test, I got around 6 to 7 hours with no issues. Charging takes about 3 hours. Sadly, there's no fast charging. So what I think could have been better? Well, I have to test it even more. But after my initial use, I do have a couple of things to point out. First, the audio output could have been better. It's just okay. Second, the placement of the speakers could have been on the top. Third, when you're trying to push the device hard or when multitasking, at times the fan kicks in and you can hear the fan noise a bit. Nothing that disturbs, but thought I must tell you guys. And fourth, storage could have been more in the base variant, or at least option to expand without replacing what's there. Minus that, overall, if you're someone who's just behind specs or brand value, then this is not for you. You might get better options in the market around this range. However, this is more targeted towards people looking for an ultra-portable solution to carry around easily, yet who want the style and the looks that they can flaunt without spending much. Good for everyday use. Most of all, like I said, something like the MacBook Air style design, but for Windows, with tons of color options, and most important, on a budget. Best suited for students or professionals who want to use it for everyday work. Above all, it's super stylish and definitely stands out from the boring options. It comes with 2 years warranty with pickup drop option. This costs around Rs 29,990 and I bought it from an offline store. Online pricing might be a bit high, not sure why. Maybe due to the demand given the current situation. But keep a watch for sale days. You also get a 4GB model for less, but I recommend at least the 8GB variant. We'll update the Best Buy link in the description after the complete lockdown is over. Check it out. So, that's it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then,